classmates and teacher. Today, we're going to be experimenting properties of liquid. Let us start. You're going to be needing 2 empty containers, 1 milk in the can, and 1 cup of water. Let us start on water. First, we pour the water inside the bottle. What did you observe? Water flows quickly and freely. Next up, we're going to use condensed milk now. First, you pour condensed milk inside the bottle. That's a lot. Light and sweet. What did you observe? Condensed milk flows slowly. Is what you call viscosity, a property of liquid. Don't forget to subscribe and upload in your Google Drive. Comment down below. And don't forget, it's important to have 10 over 10. Bye-bye! Viscosity.
Okay, action.
And that, classmates, that is what you call viscosity. That, classmates, is what you call velocity. Velocity.
What?
Velocity. Velocity.
Viscosity.
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 Viscosity.